Reverse Motozuki coming at you. First video this year. It's a good exciting time. I just insured this hoe bag this afternoon, and if you could see up there, there's the sun right there. That fucking thing in the sky, that's the sun. Can't believe it. So I don't have my GoPro on, but I'm making this on my phone, which doesn't fucking matter to anybody. But this is going to be a flyby video of my exhaust. Now, if you guys are like me, you hate flyby videos when the person gets beside the camera and lets off the fucking gas. You can't hear anything. It's stupid. I don't know why everybody insists on doing that, but it happens so much. So I'm going to do a proper one. I'm going to do it once, and that's going to be it. So I hope you guys enjoy. And that's how you do a proper flyby video, motherfuckers. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this shit channel for more shitty stuff.